in the diagram and they give you two sets of parallel lines. We have this line parallel to this one, and we additionally have this line parallel to that line. Meaning that we have two different triangles in which we can apply the theorem that says a line drawn parallel to one side of the triangle divides the sides proportionally. So as jy daai twee verskillende driehoeke om na te kyk, die een met die pink parallelle lyne in en die een met die groen lyne in. Then they say it is further given that PU is equal to 6 and UT is equal to 9. Calculate PS over PQ. Okay, so ek soek daai oor daai. Which triangle am I going to use? Jy's reg, Roan, hoekom sê jy daai ene? Yeah, in that triangle, you have the two corresponding values. So I can't use the big triangle, want hierdie ene stem ooreen met daai, and I don't have any information on that. So it's no use for me. Okay, so write out. Kom, skryf. Waarvoor? Jy moet die video's gaan kyk, né? Helfte van die skoolteken vandag uit vir tou trek. Dis nou myne. Okay. Come, write it out, since you didn't do your homework. Do nie som. Is dit Roan? Okay, what am I writing over it? No, what am I writing down? What did you write down?
I didn't do the triangle PQ, so I didn't write that down. I just did
It's fine.
PS over SQ is equal to PU over yeah, and then I said
What's your reason? What's your reason? Good. Which is equal to 6 over 9, which gives me 2 over 3. Thank you. Okay. So I know that this relationship, I'm going to write it like that for now. Then 7.2 they say calculate the length of PT. Yo. Kom ons hoop julle kry sukkies. Maar kom ons wees eerlik, julle gaan nie. Okay. Then they say calculate the length of TR. So this part. Now TR is in the big triangle. It's part of the big triangle. So I'm going to use the pink parallel lines now. Stem julle saam? Ek gaan nou aangaan na die pink parallelle lyne toe en sê PT op TR, that can be confusing, is equal to 2 over 3 right? Like this, 2 over 3. It's actually easy if you put the one that you want at the top, want dan maak dit die breek 'n bietjie makliker, maar toe maar wat, ons werk hom maar so. So nou gaan stel ons die waardes in. Yeah, that's correct. Do you not believe me? Hello? Did you get something else? Why? Wat het jy gekry, Roan? You say 3 times 15, like this. You multiply like that. Rowan, you good? Are you missing something? Just checking. Okay, I'm all happy met hom. Can I move on to the last one that you had for homework? Goed. Hulle gee vir ons hierdie sirkel en hulle sê vir jou, O is die middelpunt van die sirkel. They also give you that this is a tangent. Now, I don't need to remind you about what you should know about the tangent. Do I? Okay. En dan sê hulle vir jou, daai hoek is 90 grade hieronder. This one is 90 degrees. That's already been indicated there. And SO intersects the tangent at R hierbo. Okay. En dan sê hulle vir jou, hierdie een is 9 eenhede en daai een is 3 eenhede. Hierdie streepies is nie op julle skets nie. Ek het dit nou op myne ingeteken. Okay. Maar wie kan vir my sê hoekom het ek daai streepies ingeteken? Yes. Dis die radiusse van 'n sirkel. The radius of a circle is the same everywhere. Okay, if you didn't see that, you wouldn't have been able to do this one. Okay, goed, dan sê hulle calculate giving reasons the length of QR. Now, those of you who did it and those of you who didn't do it, how will I find QR? Yeah, you use grade 8 geometry, Pythagoras. It doesn't always have to be complicated. And calculate with reasons means that if you did not write Pyth there, you would have lost a mark. What? And they asked you specifically to give it in its simplest third form. My woorde wil nie vandag werk nie. Okay, eenvoudigste wortelvorm. Onthou, as hulle vir jou sulke spesifieke opdragte gee en jy doen dit nie, dan gaan jy punte verloor. So read. Did we not have to indicate? Yes, we did. Why? Want daai driehoek soos hy daar is, het nie 'n 90 grade hoek in nie. That triangle does not have a 90-degree angle. So I first have to prove that it has a 90-degree angle. Hoe doen ons dit anders? Raaklyn radius, né? The tangent of a circle is perpendicular to the radius of a circle. So, this actually goes first. Okay, want ons kan nie in 'n driehoek Pythagoras toepas as ons nie 'n 90 grade hoek in daai driehoek het nie. Remember, your grade 11 geometry says if you have a tangent to a circle and you have a radius, then one of our theorems says that they will be perpendicular to one another. Yeah. Oh. Okay, for 8.2, I'm just going to fill the 3 in there because we're going to use it. They asked for the length of QP. Remember, we have this one now. 6 root 2. Okay, so if I had a set of parallel lines there, I could have said that QR over QP is equal to RO over OS. Line drawn parallel to one side of the triangle. But I don't have a set of parallel lines. So wat moet ek eers doen? Ek moet eers bewys dat daai twee lyne parallel is aan mekaar. Stem julle saam? Okay, now I've actually done most of the work for it already, so I just need to write the conclusion. Stem julle saam, daai twee hoeke is gelyk aan mekaar, né? Hulle het vir my gesê hierdie ene is 90 grade en ek het nou by die vorige som bewys dat daai ene ook 90 grade is. So hulle is gelyk aan mekaar. Yes? So then you can say that QO will be parallel to PS. Wat is my rede? Well, you could have done co-interior. If you went with co-interior, you would have said that one. Okay? And then you said co-interior angles are supplementary. That would have been your reason. Maar soos wat ek hom nou daar aangedui het, wat gaan ons skryf? Is daai regte rede? Nee. If you're proving two lines parallel to one another, you have to say that the corresponding angles are equal. Because the corresponding angles are equal, we can deduct that the lines must be parallel to one another. Onthou, as hulle vir jou die parallelle lyne gee, dan lei jy af dat die hoeke gelyk is aan mekaar. As jy die hoeke gelyk aan mekaar het, dan lei jy af dat die lyne parallel is aan mekaar. Okay. Good. So now I can say QP over QR is equal to OS over OR. Wat's my rede? Ja.